All right, here I have a Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47 millimeter. So this is the newest watch, and it's the version with the physical rotating bezel. I'm going to unbox it. See what it comes with. These are becoming more and more difficult. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so in the lid is where the charger lies. Guess I'll take it out since there's not much to this. Just want to make sure I'm getting everything. So there's the charger. And I guess that's it. Let's see. Yeah, nothing else in this. Put that outside. So, alright, it comes in this really long box because the bands are already connected and it's just lying flat in there. Here's what it looks like. I ordered the graphite band, I think, which I'm assuming is like a dark gray. I wanted black, but they didn't have it in the sports band I wanted. So, all right, here's the, don't know if you can hear this or not. Let me put it next to the mic. That's the rotating bezel. The buttons are on the right. You can always change the band out, do how you want. Let's see what else is in the box here. I think that's probably it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so it feels, so I don't have the Galaxy Watch 5 to compare it to. I haven't had it for a while, but it feels similar from what I remember. The bezel's supposed to be thinner on this than it is on the Watch 4 Classic. It does, it does feel a little thinner, but it's still enough to get a hold of, which is good. So on the right side, there's what sort of feels like 3 buttons, but the piece in the middle is not a button. So there's a top button and a bottom button, and I think that piece in the middle is just to sort of keep your wrist from accidentally pressing the buttons. So for example, the buttons are on the right. If you're wearing this on your right hand with the buttons on the right, and you're flexing your hand, it kind of digs into your wrist. So I think that's to prevent accidental presses. But anyway, I don't know which button is which. I'm going to press and hold the top button and see what happens. Okay, that was the one. It vibrated. Just going to wait a few minutes and see. Well, I'm pretty sure the 2-finger hold will work, but I'm going to try a triple tap of the power button first. Not that you need to turn on TalkBack at all. You should be able to set this up directly from your phone as long as it's within Bluetooth range. And it doesn't even need to be a Samsung phone. Any Android phone is compatible. Just download the Samsung Wearables app and you can do everything from in there. But I will try this to see what happens. I'm assuming it's booted up. I'm going to triple press the top button, which I think is the power button. That seems to have done nothing. Gonna try this other button. I wonder if by triple pressing it I turned the screen off. Let's try again. Alright, I'm just gonna do the 2-finger hold, see if I can get anything to happen.
Continue touching the screen until you hear a beep to enable accessibility mode.
So I'm holding the screen with 2 fingers. I did not hear a beep, but let's see what happened. Nothing. Let's try again. Oh, okay. I forget how slow the watches are. I'm gonna see if I can adjust the volume here.
When talkback is on, the focused item. Close. Back is on, the focused item.
Wow, yeah, this is slow.
Next button.
Is there a close button?
When talkback is on.
Doing the back gesture does not seem to be doing anything.
When talkback is on. When talkback is on.
Okay.
When talkback. Next button.
Alright, I'm gonna hit next.
Double. Scroll. Swipe up or down with 2 fingers.
Trying to adjust the volume on here.
Item 1. Swipe up or down with 2 fingers.
The up and down gestures
Item 1.
don't seem to be working
Item 1.
just yet. Maybe it's because I'm in the tutorial.
Capital I. India. Item 2. Words.
Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Next button. Characters.
I just want to get the volume.
Accessibility volume.
Okay.
Increase.
Just want to see how loud this thing gets.
Increase. Increase. Item 2. Increase. Item 3. Increase. Item 2. Maximum.
Okay, so
Swipe up then down, or swipe down then up to select a different setting.
this is how loud it gets. Let me
Turn off.
just gonna go ahead and turn it off.
Double
I will set it up later. I'm gonna see if it vibrates when I turn it off. It hasn't done anything yet. Okay, yeah, it does vibrate when you power it down. So vibrations when you turn it on and when you turn it off. Okay, that's been the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic.